What's up, guys? Just thought I'd show you guys more of these danfoss solenoids. Anybody working in refrigeration, you guys stick with like Alco or the best I think is Sporting solenoids. These things, man, this unit here is not even, look, it's iced up. The solenoid, when it shuts off, it doesn't close 100%, and it keeps having flow the whole time, so it never pumps down and never shuts off and froze up the guy's evaporator. And I'll show you guys that. Look at that, you can see that. Solenoid is not energized. Another way you can check it, put anything in there if you feel it giving you, let's see. Now, anyway, this thing is not energized. There, I have it out. You can still see the flow. I don't know if you can make that out. There you go. Now you open it up. Sorry. You close it, I mean. Sorry, not open it. It stops. And open it, the receiver again. Flow. Look at the coil. It's not on there. I didn't install this thing, but anyway, looks like I'm never gonna buy these things again. 'Cause I've had problems with them with the units that I've installed, solenoids that I've changed. These things leak, especially this type of danfoss. The older ones were good, but when they changed it and made this thing right here, it just keeps leaking and it just doesn't close. A lot of them are just junk. Anyway, just thought I'd show you guys that one. I'm gonna change it, put a Sporting